I'm going to show you how to make this perfume ad or post or content for pretty much anything with Canva. Let's go. So I'm in Canva. I'm going to click on this 4x5 Instagram post. And to the left, we could see a lot of templates. Usually we could go off one of these. Let's pick this one. All right, so I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to delete this. I want this to be up here. Hold shift and just slide that up and it'll stay centered. Let's write on sale. Let's do on sale now. All right. Make this a little bigger. Again, if you hold shift and control and alt and drag it. I'm going to make this on sale a little off center there. That looks kind of good. Oh, I want to make now even larger. Yep. I like this off center. It looks kind of cool. All right. Like that. And now let's go to elements and frames. And this is where our subject's going to be. So if you're selling a product, physical product, digital product, an ebook, or whatever, you have some type of image that's going to be your subject. So I like that. So this is just the frame. That's what the image is going to go inside. So we have that there. Now let's go to uploads and upload a file. And let's do this perfume. Let's make like an ad or post for this perfume. All right, once that's uploaded, drag it right on there. See how you can see it fill in that frame? Now let go and it's there. Now if you double click, now I have the image selected. So I want that a little bit more centered. So I'm going to move it up a little bit. That looks good. Click back out here and now it's good in there. Now I want my text to be white. I think that is going to pop good, but I don't like this background it came with. So I select the background. Actually, you don't have to select the background. Go ahead and click upload files. And I'm going to use one of my backgrounds I made. Let's try this blue. Oh, that covered up the image. Now, if we right click on it, should be able to click send it back. There we go. I think it could pop a little bit more. Let's use a brighter one. I like this one. Now, another thing you could do is just click on it and it automatically adds it to the center, and then right click on that image and click replace background. And that didn't work. All right, well, that one was still on top, so I deleted it. All right, so now that we have, that looks pretty good. I like how the white pops. I'm gonna make the subject a lot bigger because we want this to be the star of the show here. And now we just have to move our text up, click on both of those. I held down shift while I clicked on both of those, and now I'm just gonna move them up. And that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good for how quickly we did that. And of course, you could click on the background. You could go to edit and you could play with this. You could adjust the temperature, brightness, contrast. You could even apply these filters. But how I make these backgrounds, I think they really don't need any adjustments. That's bright and happy and it pops. I'm happy with that right now. So to export, I'm going to go to File, Download. Now you need the Pro version to have this be a high resolution. This is fine. The 1080 by 1350 is fine. You could save as JPEG or PNG or all these other formats for web. I'm just going to leave it and click download. Now we wait a little bit, and there we go. I'm going to save it to the desktop, and let's see it. Nice. There we go. That was really, really quick. If you liked the video, subscribe, hit like. See you in the next one.